Boyfriend beater is convinced that laws don't apply to her. Wow. Hey, we're reacting to a crazy video, which I have not yet seen, but I want to watch it with you. I'm America's attorney. No more fluff. Let's jump right in right now.
On July 15th, 2022, officers responded to a 911 call about a domestic disturbance from a neighbor. They advised that a female was yelling and physically attacking a male.
How's it going, man? Good. Were you walking with a girl down Page Street or nothing like that? Okay. We got a call. It's a guy possibly getting smacked around by a girl in a pink shirt. So we're just checking there. You're good? I see someone down there. You saw somebody down there? Pink shirt. What's all the scratches on your neck, man? Right here? Yeah. Yeah. Do you have an ID on you, bro? You don't?
Wait. Why is he laughing and nodding? Oh, man. Hey, listen, this is going to be hard for me because any kind of domestic violence is not a joke. It's not, ever. But this guy just smiling and laughing about the scratches on his neck when the police officer is trying to save his life is weird.
What's your name, man?
I don't need to tell you.
Yeah, look, bro. I mean, it doesn't need to be complicated, man. Okay?
Hey, I gotta say, this guy is right. This police officer is not suspecting that this guy is committing a crime of any kind whatsoever, and he doesn't have to tell him his name. On the other hand, if the officer thinks he's investigating a crime, he's certainly welcome to ask, but like, witnesses don't have to talk to him. Victims don't have to talk to him. And if this guy is scared for his life, and the reason he was smiling is that he knows that if he interacts with the cops, that his girlfriend is going to kill him, then, you know, he's just trying to look out for himself. I got no problem with that. He doesn't have to say his name, and neither do you. But, like, don't make things harder than they have to be unless you just really have to.
I know, but I have a lawful reason to stop you, okay? Because we got dispatched. You matched the description of the guy that was getting beat up by a girl. Okay? You have injuries on your neck.
See? He shouldn't have said it that way. He's trying to get a rise out of me.
All right?
It don't matter.
It does matter. You don't have an ID on you, man?
No, I don't.
You don't? What's your name?
I feel like I don't need to tell you that.
Okay, you feel like that, but
I haven't broken the laws.
Understand? Listen to me.
I haven't committed a crime. I don't need to provide you with that evidence.
Okay, but listen to me. I'm telling you. Okay, just
this
listen.
This guy knows
I have
his
a lawful
rights.
reason to stop out and talk to you. Okay, so you have a lawful reason to identify yourself to me. If you do.
Okay, now that is not the right way of saying it. The cop is saying he has a lawful reason to ask the guy for his identity. That's fine. He does, but the guy is within his rights to not identify himself.
If you don't want to identify yourself to me, I'll take you to jail for concealing your identity. It's that simple. It's literally that simple.
Oh, hey, guess what? That is not a crime. There's no such thing as concealing your identity. What is this cop talking about? Oh, I'm glad I came to work today. This is ridiculous.
Leave me alone. Can I walk away?
We'll go from there. Okay? But if you don't tell me your name, you're going to go straight to jail. I understand that. Okay? You got to understand that. I have a job to do. Okay? You have scratches on your neck. Okay? Which are signs of some kind of battery. All right? Which are probably from your girlfriend, right?
If I don't want to press charges, we're fine, right?
It's probably from your girlfriend, right?
Don't matter.
Okay? So if it's from your girlfriend, that means it's a domestic violence. Okay? So which
Dude,
means I
this
have to
cop's
investigate
trying to beat
it,
him
and I'm
up just as bad as his girlfriend did.
Okay? If you don't want to do anything about it, we can let the courts and all that know. Okay?
I don't want to do anything about it.
I understand that. I'm obligated by state law. I'm obligated by state law to do something about this. Okay? That's what I'm telling you. All right? I've laid it all out on the line for you, man.
I said I didn't commit a crime.
I get that. I get that. Okay? But I don't know that for a fact yet. All right? So, are you going to give me your name or not? I'm going to tell you. Last time. Okay? I have a lawful reason to stop you and identify you. Okay? If you don't want to identify yourself, we can just take you straight to jail for concealing your identity. So why are you keeping me from doing my job?
I'm not keeping your job. You could go talk to the person down there, like I said.
You didn't. You
The
haven't.
person
You
that
haven't.
committed the
You
crime, I
haven't.
didn't commit no
You
crime.
haven't said
So
anything
why are you trying to with me?
because I have the lawful reason to identify you. That's why.
Oh my word!
Because you were involved in the incident that you are now talking
I
about.
can't.
I'm not. I didn't say nothing.
You did. You just said to go down there and talk to the person that did do it.
I didn't.
Okay.
Okay. So why are you talking to me?
Because I don't know who I'm going to talk to.
Find out what the.
I can't because you're not giving me any information, man.
I don't want to be a victim. I don't want to press charges. I don't want to do anything. Leave it at that. I ain't pressing no charges. So what are you guys gonna do? Just take my name and do me more? No.
Or not take your name and take you straight to jail for concealing your identity.
It's in my.
That in itself is a crime. So you are.
It's not a crime. This is so insane. I mean, first of all, there is no statute that criminalizes concealing your identity. That's number one. Number two, if there were such a statute, it would be illegal. And do you know why? Because of something called the Fifth Amendment. You don't have to talk to cops.
Committing a crime at the moment that I could take you to jail on.
So you guys are able to stop someone that's walking on the public street.
Correct.
And ask them for their ID whenever you want.
No. What I'm telling you
then what are you
is
doing?
I was dispatched to this area for a domestic disturbance between a chick with a pink shirt and blonde hair and a male in all black.
Yeah.
Okay? You fit the description. You got injuries on your neck, which means you got beat up by a chick. Okay? So I have a lawful reason. I have a lawful reason to stop and identify you. Okay? That's where I'm laying it all out here for you.
This-
I'm trying not to be a dick. I'm trying
This
not to be a
cop
dick.
is unbelievable.
Okay? Take your name down. Okay? I can see if we have you in our system so we can go from there. Figure out if you're associated with anybody else that we can go talk to, get the other side of the story.
Hey, there's the deal right there. You ready? There's the deal. He wants to know if this guy has any warrants for his arrest because he wants to hook him up if he does. Period. That's it. He doesn't need to know his name in order to investigate if someone hit him or hurt him or whatever. And
And we can go from that point. Okay? What I'm telling you, I would prefer not to take you to jail because you're right. You haven't done anything wrong. Okay? But at the moment,
That we know.
at the moment, you are committing a crime by not giving me your name and your date of birth.
What? What? And his date of birth?
I just don't want to get in trouble. I didn't do nothing.
There's a part of me that I don't know how this turns out, but I kind of want this guy to not do it so that he gets arrested because it's so dumb. I can't even believe it. I wish that buzzing sound we hear is the supervisor of this officer telling him, hey, you need to come back to the precinct for additional training. You're an idiot.
Because you are committing a crime.
You want to follow me?
No, I don't want to. I don't
That
want.
was hitting me. I'll show you guys what she's at.
No.
Let's go.
No, I want to stay right here.
Why? You guys are talking to me, but you don't want to talk to the person that's committing a crime. That's where you guys are. No.
But I am talking to the person that's committing the
I
crime
ain't
now.
committing no crime.
You are. You're concealing your identity from me.
Once we get there, I will tell you.
No,
my
that's
name.
not how this
How do you want it
works.
to go?
I want you to give me your name.
So what's going on?
I just had an argument. It's nothing serious, I'm sorry. It was more on my part. So I have to give him my ID and everything.
Okay, where's your ID? And so what's going on between you two?
Just a verbal argument, but like I said, we're both at my mom's shop right now. It was nothing extravagant.
Not an extravagant argument.
It's more than a verbal argument because we had people calling in saying that a female was hanging on the shirt of a male
Like that.
and there was screaming. So
I mean, you can check me and you can go to the shop. And
he's bleeding, you're bleeding.
I mean, you can talk to all of us, but no, he didn't do anything. That to me, if anything, was myself. And my nails. Look at my nails.
Okay,
Right
what
there.
happened?
I scratch myself. I do get pretty crazy myself. I put nothing on him. So
What
when I
happened
know
to your
in
knee?
my law enforcement and my dictionary and stuff, you guys can't charge me.
I know my law enforcement and my dictionary stuff, and you guys can't charge me. What? I know what she's talking about. I'll be right back.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, I'm back. I got it. She's talking about the Black's Law Dictionary, which I've got right here. I did not know that she knew about that. I should not have laughed at her, and now I feel bad. Let's see what else she has to say.
You have an address. You have my ID. I can give you my social security right now.
Please, not during the video.
Okay.
It's just, I don't want no problems. This is my man. We had an argument. That's it.
Okay. Well,
But
I
you
have a
can't-
problem when
I know that 'cause that's
people
your job,
have.
But it's
Whoa. Like, you don't got to talk to the cops. But, like, she won't even stop. He's, like, having to interrupt her to tell her, oh, my word, she wants to talk. Seems like a great girlfriend so far, though.
When someone batters another person in a domestic
anyone
violence
see that, or did they just hear us arguing? Because I yell.
Okay.
I will completely see that. I'll go to jail right now for that.
Okay.
For yelling?
Let's go. You're a f***ing balls ass f***ing fat. Why does you?
Wait.
Respect. I'm telling you, respectfully, do not f***ing touch her like that.
Tries to kick me.
Okay. I gotta confess, I forgot the cold open of this video where there's a girl in the back seat just like kangaroo kicking the door of a cop car. I totally forgot because I got focused on this guy. She's lost her mind. She consented to being arrested, which is, I mean, you know, whether you consent or not, they're probably going to arrest you if they're going to arrest you. But then she, I guess, has changed her mind.
She just broke my glasses.
Bro, chill the f*** out, for real.
She kicked me in the face.
Hey,
Oh,
stop.
you're so much of
Stop.
battle wood.
Stop.
I hope she's going to buy me some new glasses.
Hang on, let me go get my shot.
Wow. That is for real. Ah, this is hard to watch.
Like, call me.
Let go. Let go. Now. Let go.
Wait, what is she
Let
grabbing?
go.
Go tell my mom. What the f? Now I'm gonna go in jail.
Okay.
For him. No. Ow!
Turn this way. Roll on
Go
your side.
tell her.
Roll on your side.
Go tell her.
Hey.
She's operating under the false assumption that when you're arrested, you get one phone call and you get to have the cops run one errand for you. That's not right. The cops do not have to go tell your mom that you're getting arrested. But also, if your mom is somewhere nearby and hasn't already come out to see what's happening, she doesn't love you as much as you thought she did. This is insane.
Tell my mom I'm going to jail.
Okay, we will.
No, do it first. Stop.
Mom, she's going to jail.
Go tell her.
Hey, he's opening the door. Jake, he's opening the door.
Okay, I'll roll down the window a little bit.
I can't believe they put this dude in the car and they didn't lock the door. But also, turn the air on. It's July 15th in Carlsbad, New Mexico.
Eventually, the male was identified, cleared, and released from the scene.
So what the f? I just sit here and say what? Oh, we're going to jail. Yeah, so what the f do I say? Hey, I'm in jail because I didn't have a f***ing ID. What do you want me to say, bro? What do you want me to say? How much you want me to pay you?
She's on the downswing
How much?
now. It's not good.
What's worth it for you?
It's not good.
What do you want?
If I'm understanding the situation correctly, she is in custody, been to the hospital, headed to the jail, and now she's trying to bribe the police officer. I didn't know that you could make it worse. Actually, interesting point. This kind of behavior is not illegal. Once you've already committed offense and you're in the back of the vehicle, as long as you don't actually break anything, you can totally lose your mind, punching, kicking, etc. Not illegal, not a misdemeanor, not at all. It's just, great for YouTube.
Obviously, you're a new cop, aren't you?
Okay, so the
You
lighting
ain't
is
from here.
about to match the kicking from the
then.
cold open.
Thank you.
I
You
think
ain't
she's
from
about
here,
to
then.
lose it.
There you
I'm
go.
asking my
I'll be
editor
out here
right
in a
now,
second without your-
get a kick counter ready.
Bye.
I want to see how many
You got
times she
that?
hits
You
this
got-
door.
You got that weapon? Can you shoot me in the head? Yeah?
Whoa!
Shut the
All right. She's starting to feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
You want me
11.
out or
Oh,
what?
10.
I didn't do to you. I didn't do to you. So I can get the out like a normal person.
The female was charged with criminal damage to property, assault upon a peace officer, battery upon a peace officer,
Yeah.
resisting arrest,
Yeah.
and domestic battery.
Yeah. Wow, that was wild. I cannot believe how crazy she got. She started out friendly, talkative, then got crazy again, then got kind of friendly and almost meek, and then got very abusive again. We would not have had much of a video if she had just invoked her Fifth Amendment right and kept on asserting it the entire time. What a bad day for her, and what a tough time for those officers. Can't tell if it was the same cops who started out with the guy and moved on to the girl, because they had the law wrong with the guy. I mean, just dead wrong. And then with the girl, they were pretty patient, and I don't know, they kind of diffused what could have been a worse situation given how abusive she was. But if you disagree with me, I would love to hear it. Get down in the comments and let me know your pro se opinion. Do you have any criticism of the cops in the interaction with the woman? Because with the dude, I totally get it. They made up a fake law. We don't like that here. I'm glad you watched this video with me. I'm America's Attorney. If you like what you saw, you gotta hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button, so that when I post again, which I do twice a week, you will get a notification from YouTube. Check out these videos here, and I'll be back soon. See ya.